Hey, what is up guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about why dropshipping is the easiest business to build in 2019, 2020, 2021. Whenever you're watching this, if you wanna start a business or you wanna start a profitable business, you wanna go in it with profits, dropshipping and e-commerce are the easiest, essentially the easiest business to build. And just to prove this concept and the things that I'm gonna talk about, here is some proof, right? Today we made $860. It's pretty early in the day, so later today it's gonna be a lot more than that, a lot more than $1,000. And $10,000, 264 this month already. And the cool thing about this is check out last month. So let's check February all the way to February 28. We made $70 in sales, right? No sales. So let's check January to January 31, no sales. This is a brand new store that we started right at the end, right at the last couple days of February. And now in March, it's made more than $10,000. Literally anyone around the world can get these results with the right strategy. And I'm gonna talk about more in detail about how to make $10,000 in sales. That's about $3,000 profit. So $3,000 that actually you pocket and goes in the bank. On Monday, I'm gonna take you step by step from 0 to 10,000 a month, the exact strategy that I follow and that I teach my students how to follow. Today, we're just gonna talk about why dropshipping is the best business to build and why you should get into it. Guys, before we get into this video, if you want a winning product that has made more than $20,000 in sales, more than $20,000 in sales with one of the best audiences that we use for Facebook, the winning audience on Facebook that made the most sales with the winning product. It's still a winning product, so you can still advertise it and use it on your store. Comment secrets down below in the comments. This is the secrets fam, so comment secrets down below in the comments and you can essentially get that product with the exact targeting that we use. Three main topics to discuss: why dropshipping works and why it's easy to get started, why it doesn't require that many skills or that many things to actually get started as opposed to other businesses that you might want to start or build. The second thing is why dropshipping beats other businesses and why it will never die. A lot of people are saying dropshipping is gonna die, dropshipping doesn't work. It does, and it will never die, and there's a reason for that. We're gonna go in depth into that. The third thing, how to dropship properly without burning yourself out or giving up. There's a lot of people that they try with the wrong strategy, wrong mentality, and then they end up, giving up, and then nothing happens. They don't make any money. They go off into other things, shiny object syndrome, and it just doesn't work. Right? So the first thing, why dropshipping works and why it's easy to get started. No prior marketing experience, no degrees, and no skills. Through building a dropshipping brand, you can learn marketing, you can learn advanced marketing, you can learn how to scale, you can learn customer acquisition, you can learn how the market works and how value is provided. And essentially that is what we provide. We provide value through the form of a physical product that we don't teach or that we don't see or that we don't own. It's a product that goes directly from our manufacturer straight to our customer. We don't see, we don't own the product, we don't touch it. We just sell it straight to the customer and we drop ship it. So you don't need any skills apart from learning the processes and learning the actual marketing that goes into drop shipping that you can learn with my free trainings, with my free strategies. You can learn for free here on YouTube. You don't need some paid course or anything. Although I do offer mentoring, that's to take it to the next level. Second thing is no need to order inventory, pay anything up front, hire anyone, or build an audience. If you want to start, let's say, an Amazon business, eBay business, brick and mortar, maybe even an agency, or you want to start like a YouTube channel teaching people something, it requires a lot of time. Either it requires a huge amount of capital to order all those products and have all those products come. It requires a lot of credibility. So you essentially, if you want to build an agency, you need results and you need credibility. You need people to trust you in order to charge clients to pay you money to do that. And in order to do consulting or what I do on a side basis, which is teaching people how to build businesses or teaching people a skill, you need to build an audience. It was not easy to get to 1,000 subs on YouTube. It's incredibly hard to get to 5,000, 10,000 subs on YouTube and build an audience and build credibility for yourself. I've done it. It's taken me a long time and it's a really hard job and you have to be extremely consistent and just keep providing value and value and value. I love it. I personally love it, but it's hard. It's not easy. It's not the easiest business to build and it's not the easiest way to make money for sure. And I can tell you that because I've built multiple businesses before and dropshipping was the easiest to get started and the easiest to make consistent money with from a personal experience. The third thing is anyone in the world can do it, even if you don't speak English fluently. So let's say your English is kind of okay. It's not that great. You're from you're from Eastern Europe or you're from Asia, you're from South America, whatever it is, and your English isn't awesome, you can still start a dropshipping business and kill it. You don't need to like get on calls with clients. You don't need to make videos. It's a lot easier to just get started and getting going. And if you're very introverted, you're very shy, you don't need to actually talk to anyone. You control the whole thing and you do dropshipping by yourself with obviously the skills that I teach you. You can do it by yourself, no team, nothing, just a solo entrepreneur, absolutely crushing it. So the next thing is why dropshipping beats any other business. So as I said, no need to build an audience, no need to build any credibility. You can just create a high converting store with good looking products, winning products, and then you can just sell that through ads. Obviously you have to put in a lot of effort to make sure the ads look, they don't look like a scam or they don't look like a bad business. They have to look good, they have to look converting, and they have to convert, but you don't need to like build a long-term audience, a long-term email list, a long-term audience, or just some credibility online. You can just do it, just straight go in and do it and sell products, pretty much from day one. Some students of mine, they start mentoring with me, they start working on my strategies, and literally from day one, they get a sale and they make like 50 to 100 bucks. So that is how fast you can make money. No need to deal with clients or people that might get in the way. There's no clients. There's nobody telling you what to do. There's nobody, literally telling you like, hey, this is what you should do. This is like, do this by tomorrow, do this by next week. It's all you. All the work you put in, that's the money that comes out. The input equals the output, which is money, and that's all dependent on you. So if you're committed, you can definitely make it work. The third thing is, you complete everything. You're the master of your entire business. Nobody tells you what to do. And the most important thing that I absolutely love about this business is outsourcing the business is incredibly easy. Like if I want to outsource my consulting and I want to teach students and I want to hire a coach to teach them, that is an insanely hard job because I have to find someone that's credible, that really knows what they're doing, and that my students trust. And then removing myself from the business, it's so hard. I want to keep doing this, and it's hard to like keep putting in the time, but I still do it because I'm very passionate about it and I love teaching students. But it's not easy to outsource. Dropshipping is incredibly easy to outsource. You can just get someone to run your shop. You can get someone to do the order fulfillment. You can get someone to do the customer service, to do your ads. And that's it. And then you remove yourself from the business and you're working on it like an hour or two a day, making like thousands of dollars every single month. So it's definitely possible to outsource it very easily as opposed to like an agency where you have to hire a full-time marketer or a full-time manager, somebody to get on sales. It's just much easier to hire people and build a team. And the third thing is how to dropship the right way. I see a lot of people failing and a lot of people not doing it properly. And I want to teach you how to do it properly so you can get these results of like 10,000 in your first month, for example. And now, long-term strategy and learning the skills necessary to build a 7-figure brand. It does take time. It takes a lot less time to learn these skills and these strategies than other businesses, but you want to think about long-term. You don't want to think about being rich in 2 weeks. You want to think about being rich in 2 to 3 years. So you want to put in the effort now, and the results will come later. Obviously, the results can come now. You can make like 5,000, 10,000 your first month, but the results, the long-term results, the real money will come long-term. So you really have to stay consistent and keep pushing to build a 7-figure brand, not just a random shop selling random scammy products. You want to sell high quality products to people, provide value to them through those products, and then build a huge brand that is literally can make you millions, like literally can make you a millionaire. The next second thing is not just test random products forever. You want to build an audience and you want to focus on that audience. You can make a lot of money without any trust, without any credibility in dropshipping. But to build a 7-figure, multi-million-dollar business, you want to build a brand that's private labeled. You want to get some brand loyalty on there so that people keep coming back to your site. Return customer rate is huge. You get people referring your website to other people. You may even get on the news. It really turns into something massive. And it really turns into a movement if you do it properly and you private label and you create that brand loyalty properly. And that's how you want to do it. You can start dropshipping, get some random products, get some sales, get some money, and then invest that money back into a brand and build a 7-figure brand, which is what I teach my students how to do. To get to that $1 million level, 100K a month level, it does take some reinvesting and working and committing to it, but it's definitely worth it in the long term, right? This is not get rich quick. This is not making some quick money and out. This is building something for the long term and a huge movement. And the third thing is creating a sustainable team with a vision and long-term growth. So the last thing that you want to do is essentially hire people to outsource it and outsource it properly. So have like a team that's really dedicated. They all have a vision together and they all want to get to that point, which is what we did. We essentially hired an in-house team and also a virtual team to help us get to our vision of like literally millions of dollars per month with our e-com business. The last thing is what to do now. Get started dropshipping or improve your current stores with my free training. So if you want to start dropshipping, you can just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, of course, and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. I post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, on a consistent basis. And you can check out the free full course that I put out right here on YouTube. It's a full free course. You don't have to pay me anything. And you can learn step by step how to build your business and start getting some sales. And essentially, yeah, just start getting, start a business. Start the business. That is the easiest way to start, which is dropshipping and e-com. The second thing, watch a free 2019 training I created for you. It's exact step by step, the things that you need to do to succeed and scale your Shopify store to the moon. First thing in the description. And the third thing, schedule a free one-on-one call with me absolutely for free. I see people charging like $500, even to $1,000 for a call. I do them for free. I do the call for free. I do offer mentorship, but that's like, if you enjoy the call and you get value from the call, then the mentorship is how you take it to the next level and you work one-on-one with me on a personal basis. But it's a free one-on-one call. You can book it with the link in the description, the second link in the description. You can just book that call whenever you want. You can book it for next week, for next month, whenever you want to book it. You can talk to me directly and see if mentoring with me is the right choice for you, because I have students making like $50,000, even $100,000 a month. You could be that next success story. As I said, next Monday, I will make a full-on breakdown of how we made like more than $10,000 this month and how we're doing like almost 1K a day now with this store, which is absolutely insane in the first month. That could be, the guide that puts you on the way to 10,000 a month. That's coming Mondays. If you do want to get into the mentoring program like right away, you don't even want to get on a call, you just want to go for the mentoring, you're ready and you're committed to do this, the link is also in the description. It says paid private mentoring program. You can just join it right there. The price is going to increase in a couple of days. On Monday is actually going to increase. So if you want to join it this weekend and just get it over with and do it and just commit to this and start building a business of your own, then join it down below. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, subscribe and like the video, hit that notification bell, 3 videos a week. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.